Want to use Telegram on your computer? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete installation process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Telegram Desktop and press Enter. Then, look for the official Telegram website in the results. It should be desktop.telegram.org. Click on it to visit the official download page. Once you're on the Telegram desktop page, you'll see a prominent Get Telegram for Windows button if you're on a Windows PC. However, Telegram is available for multiple operating systems. Click Show All Platforms to see download options for other operating systems if you're not using Windows. So, select the version that matches your operating system. For this tutorial, I'm using Windows, so I'll click the Windows Download button. The installer file will begin downloading. It should only take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download completes, locate the file in your Downloads folder. It should be named something like tsetup.exe for Windows. Open the installer file by double-clicking it. Select your preferred language from the drop-down menu, then click OK. The installation wizard will open and show you the default installation location. You can change this location by clicking Browse if you prefer to install Telegram elsewhere, but the default location works perfectly for most users. So, click Next to continue. Select the Start menu folder where you want Telegram shortcuts to appear, then click OK. The default folder works fine for most users. Check the box to create a desktop shortcut for quick access to Telegram, then click Next. On the next screen, click Install to begin the installation process. A progress bar will appear showing the installation status. This typically takes just 15 to 30 seconds. When the installation is complete, you'll see the Telegram shortcut created on your desktop. To launch the application automatically, make sure this box is checked, then click Finish. When you see the welcome screen, click on Start Messaging. When Telegram opens for the first time, you'll see two login options available. QR code login, recommended if you already use Telegram on your phone. For the phone number option, select your country code from the drop-down menu, then enter the phone number associated with your Telegram account. Telegram will send a verification code to your phone via the Telegram app or SMS. For this tutorial, let's use the QR code login option as it's faster and more convenient. Open Telegram on your mobile device. Tap on Settings, then select Devices and choose Link Desktop Device. Scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen using your phone's camera. Your account will sync instantly and you're all set. That's it. Your Telegram desktop app is now fully installed and logged in. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Telegram on your desktop.